Right, did you just come get on my lap? And are you the cutest kitty ever? Look at this girl. My leopard friend? My house leopard friend? Yeah. You're so nice. Is that so? Yeah. Hey, soft paws, remember? Yeah, soft paws. Oh yes, big friendly girl. Yeah. You're so nice. Right. You're a nice big kitty. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. I like when you sit like this. You're so nice and cute. Yeah. There's lots of stuff going on outside today, huh? Yeah. You have anything else to say? Gonna take a nap? Okay. Say night-night.